Snow in my eye.
You got fucked up.
Yeah, guys, I just got a mask when we went inside because it was getting really cold out. And my nose is frozen. So is my right hand, so it sucks. Sledding in snow when it's 15 degrees is not good.
Like this. Yippee!
It is cold. Let's see what he's doing.
We have to flatten this out. Hey, let's go to the other passage. That's faster.
So yeah, we have another passway that we can sled on.
It's shorter, but it's faster at least. Let's go.
But the only thing that's wrong with it is
Sorry, look at that.
What?
Oh, that's snow.
It's like a foot of snow.
Well, half a foot.
this is about maybe 7 inches.
And the best part, it's all powdery. So you got one like getting cold and wet. Woo! Okay,
Cold.
maybe you'll get cold, but who cares?
My
Okay.
pants are falling down already. My snow pants.
No, that's our passage right down there.
You look over here, see, in between this. You guys can't really see it, but Trevor, go in front of me. We'll make a passageway.
Already? God, why is there so much snow? Go. Just go right here.
This is the first biggest snowfall we've had so far, and it's pretty cool. Oh shit. My glove is blocking the camera. Yeah, I'm coming. I just got one hand right now, bud. Alright, you know what? Fuck this. We're going. This is really hard to do with one hand. Oh god, now we're going. Now we're picking up people.
Let's see how fun that is. Ooh. Hey, look. Remember a couple hours ago, I cleared the snow first. Tombstone now the snow's all back on it. Let's clear it up again. Well.
All right, guys. So, whew.
Okay.
My fingers. Oh, grab this for me, please. I think I got frostbite because my fingers will not stop getting cold. Sorry, guys, if the camera's not that good quality. It's just that my hands are freaking freezing and it's hard.
Hey, can I have the camera?
Alright, so he's gonna take your camera and take you guys for a little ride.
Okay, guys, watch this sledding cam, I guess. Ready? You just share my push me. TJ, push me. I can't because I'm holding the camera. And I can't have a grip on myself. Chandler's gonna have to push me down. Ready? Oh god, oh god, oh god. Woo! Okay. That was pretty basic.
I'm coming down.
What? Okay, apparently Chandler's coming down. Why is snow so heavy? I don't know why. Oh, here he comes.
It's not working.
Well, push yourself.
No.
Push yourself.
How about?
Oh god, oh god, oh god.
Oh!
Oh god,
Trevor,
no,
watch
Chandler.
out.
Ow, ow. Hey, I got an idea. Let's start from there.
See how much snow is on my hands, guys?
Oh, this is so cold. Make sure you don't get frostbite, bro, because I got my fingers. A couple years back, like I said, when my hands got frozen, I was at the stage. I was very close to be at the stage before frostbite. He's fine. He's he's got to be careful. But when these turn like white from here to there, that is when he has to go inside. So, and I know because I happened to me. Here,
Want me to take the camera?
yeah, I'm gonna sled from where you sledded. Okay, guys, instead of sledding from the very top and wasting your time, I'm gonna sled at the steep hill.
Why don't you jump and run? Run and jump and then go into it. My hands are in pain, but you know what, guys? I don't care. I'm doing it for you guys.
This is gonna be the best night ever. Whoa!
He just crashed.
Hi, peeps.
Alright, guys. Whew, okay. I'm gonna get the camera to him real quick, so. Yeah. Here's the camera real quick.
Love snow. Ew, I got snow in my nostrils.
You got
Okay.
one.
What?
Here, take the camera real quick. Just kidding.
Oh, just letting you guys know, it's blizzarding out here too as well.
There is a blizzard out here.
Alright.
It's getting so.
Here.
Sorry, guys, if the quality's bad, it's just that our camera is weird right now. It's not working.
Alright, is he okay? But remember, you have to give it a while to focus on my face.
It's not focusing on my face. But okay. Hands are frozen, guys. I don't know how much longer I can stay out here for. I can't even barely go like this. It's starting to hurt. Comment down below if you guys ever had frostbite. Grab my grab my sled for me, please. I'm bring that inside because I'm just gonna follow you around. Now I know how to people feel in Antarctica.
Wow, that's so impressive.
Alright, guys. I'll take you guys with me. Joe, bring this back in here. Bring my sled back. Alright. Let's go.
Hey, turn on, please. Here we go. Is this no worse?
I don't know, but my hands are worse.
It's getting there.
Oh well, I'm gonna do it for you guys. Well, make sure you definitely put a like on this, guys.
Alright, let's get out of here. Well, look at that. Steve's truck is completely covered in snow. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty a lot.
Alright, so let's walk over here. We're just gonna walk a little bit around.
So this is our front yard. Oh, more light. Awesome. Look at the bush though. The bush is nice. Nice and bushy. And the sidewalk is pretty deep. Look at my shoes though. Look at that.
See how my hands look yellow on the screen? That's all white on my hand right now.
Yeah.
Get it focused.
Also, it's a sidewalk.
Oh shit. I forgot to shovel the sidewalk tonight.
He just fell. You tried to play that off. I know you fell.
What?
You fell, don't lie. Oh wait, Trevor. Get the sled and go down this driveway.
No, I don't think it's too steep. Okay, let's go.
Hey guys, look at these little deer.
Alright, so we're gonna go down here.
Alright guys, I have an idea. Trevor's gonna record me, right? And I'm gonna attempt to drive my bike. Alright guys, you ready? I'm doing this for you guys. Make sure to hit a like on this. This is not just a normal BMX bike. This BMX bike has a smaller sprocket, so it's harder to drive with.
Oh. Yeah, it's hard for me because when you put your foot on the pedal, it doesn't
So
pedal
it's
normally.
made for me. Alright guys, ready? This is for you.
I'm spinning. You can't defeat 5 inches of snow on the ground.
Why don't you try, Mr. Smart Guy?
I can't try it. I would be able to with a normal bike. I can't do it with a bike. No, I'm not using my new bike. No way.
Alright, guys. Trevor.
Yeah.
Record me. I'm gonna go down the driveway.
Are you kidding me? This man is nuts.
Right there. Oh, watch out. Ready, guys?
Oh, shit.
Oh, that drift, though.
Go ahead.
Whoa. I'm drifting. Alright, awesome answer for you guys. Oh, shit.
Oh.
Alright.
Check the camera.
Huh?
Check the camera. I need a rest now. I need a rest. Oh.
There's the ice.
You're right there, ice. Watch your fingers. Ready? That is definitely ice.
Ice crystals. Yay. True. Oh, I got snow in my eyes.
Again. Alright, guys. My hand is still frozen solid. But who cares?
I'm doing this for you guys.
What?
Make sure to drop a like.
No.
So what do you want to do?
Wait.
Outside
So,
adventure in the snow at night.
This is gonna be our last time playing outside while it's snowing in this winter storm. I'd like to, say goodbye. Goodbye, winter storm, Halloween. You've been a great family to us.
We wish we had a whole foot of snow. We have only like 7 inches, so. Let's just. Oh shit.
Just remember, our wintry weather isn't finished yet, so we might have a foot of snow.
My computer chilled. Hey, I'm just gonna take a seat. Oh.
Yeah, guys, this is the life.
Oh.
Bro, look at this. So much.
Why don't you put your whole hand in there and see how I feel?
No, I already have. Remember earlier? Hey, I put my hand right here. And now the hand. Okay, so earlier I put my hand on this, and I don't see the hand, whatever.
Print?
The hand path.
Alright, guys, you want to see some snow?
Oh, yeah. Yikes. Okay, I think I'm ready to go inside.
Alright.
Snow's still heavy.
Can's still red.
Let's see whose hand's redder.
Oh my god.
My hand. Think I should go inside?
See, I know how to fix this.
Touch it. Oh, whoa. That just make it 10 times more.
Oh, shit.
Does it even hurt?
Mine?
Oh my.
Why don't you put your hand on this?
No.
Alright, guys, this is for you. Oh. Alright, guys, I think we're gonna go inside. We'll meet back with you when we're inside. Alright, guys.
Oh. God, almost.
Alright, guys, we're gonna be down. Alright, guys. We are officially undressed and all that.
His hands are fine. Don't worry, it's fine. I can't feel the coldness anymore, so it's going back
See
to
you
normal.
guys how red it is now? It's going away now.
Right, so it's going back to
My
normal.
thumb really hurts. I can't really move it. I'm trying as hard as I can.
Well, that's what happens as it's going back. So.
Yeah, us too.
If you have, well,
Xbox One S, you guys can do that.
Xbox One, Xbox 360, PS4, and PS3. If you have any of that, just put your gamer tag below in the comments.
We'll play with you guys.
And also, as you're putting down the gamer tag, tell what console it is.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Yeah.
We're probably gonna do another challenge tonight or something. Maybe later. It's only 6 o'clock, so.
Yeah. We just want to do a vlog, because we wanted to do one, because we haven't done one, so. I'm Trev.
This is CJ.
And we'll see you guys next time.
Alright, peace.